Now, there are more concerns this evening that Jamaicans continue to disregard social distancing rules in the fight against the spread of the coronavirus. In another attempt to bring home the message, the chief medical officer in the Ministry of Health painted a picture of gloom if citizens don't break the habit. It's the final day to file statutory declarations. No surprise, there's a rush at the various government offices in the corporate area. Customers clearly oblivious to physical distancing warnings in light of the coronavirus pandemic. These diagrams show what the 1 meter requirement should look like. This one showing the best practice when in line inside a business place. However, this is what obtained Tuesday morning at the Integrity Commission office in New Kingston. We observed signs indicating where customers should stand to maintain a reasonable distance, but those were seemingly disregarded. There were attempts by staff to bring order, but again, that was short-lived. In Crossroads, the situation was even more dire. From every angle we filmed, the closeness of the crowd could not be ignored. All this a day after the Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Jacqueline Besesa Mackenzie, painted a grim picture for the country if guidelines to contain the spread of the coronavirus are not followed, chief among them physical distancing. She explained that if COVID-19 cases doubled every 8 days, there would be 432 cases by April 26. Each person, she explained, has the potential to infect 2.5 persons.
If it is that we reduce the exposure by social distancing, and we reduce that social exposure by 75%, we have looked at the projections, and we see that by day 30, we would only have 2.5 persons infected. If it is that we reduce social exposure by 50%, then we would only have about 15 persons that are infected by that one person over a 30-day period.
She further cautioned that cases could double at a faster rate if Jamaicans do not heed the warnings.
If there are persons who have had contact with our 36 confirmed cases, if they do not stay at home, then our numbers will also rise. And we will move from a potential doubling every 8 days to possibly a doubling every 5 days, and worst case, where we could have a doubling every 2 days, resulting in a significant number of cases. According to the graph here, 4,608 possibly confirmed by the 12th of April, if it is that persons do not take their responsibilities seriously